Under the accrual method of accounting, expenses and gains are recorded at the time a transaction occurs, rather than when payment is received. And as the taxpayer in Georgia School-Book Depository Incorporated versus Commissioner learned, an accrual-basis taxpayer also typically must recognize income in the tax year it's earned, regardless of when it's actually received. Georgia School-Book Depository Incorporated was a bookbroker that represented publishers in selling their textbooks to customers, including the state of Georgia. The company was responsible for managing book inventory, receiving pro rata payments, disbursing funds to the publishers, and shipping the books to the customers. The publishers paid the company a commission based on the sale prices. Georgia law required the state to provide free textbooks to students, and Georgia paid for the books exclusively from a textbook fund that collected tax revenue. Although the company was an accrual-basis taxpayer, it recognized its commissions as income in the tax years that Georgia made payment, rather than in the years that the sales were executed. The Commissioner of Internal Revenue assessed a deficiency on the company for 1938 and 39, determining that the company's commissions accrued when the sales were executed, and thus should have been recognized as income in that tax year, regardless of when Georgia actually paid. The company petitioned the U.S. Tax Court, arguing that because Georgia hadn't yet allocated funds adequate to cover its book purchases, the company had no reasonable expectation that Georgia would make payment in the relevant tax years. Therefore, the company argued that the commissions didn't accrue until the company actually received payment.